Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You know I'm glad you're here. You know I'm glad to be here. We have a special guest in the house, guys, and I am very excited about that. You need to send love and welcome Jessie Treadaway. Let me tell you a little bit about this guy. I was flipping through Facebook and whatnot, and I saw a quick little video going on of somebody doing a magnificent Dutch pour. But he was doing it with his big butt blower, and I was in awe. So I headed over and found Jesse's channel and watched a few of his videos, and I reached right out to him because he's a cool dude, and I know a cool dude when I see him. And I said, "Hey Jesse, let's paint." And he was like, "Hey Kathleen, let's do it." So we decided to do a sweet little collab. Now, I was afraid Jesse was going to say, "Let's do a Dutch pour," and I suck at Dutch pours, but I'm still working on them, guys. I'm still working on them. But Jesse was gracious enough to say, "Hey, let's do a swipe," and I'm like, I am all in. Now, I got to pick the colors. And throughout this video, you're going to see little segments of Jesse's work. I am going to post in the description box, which I think is on this side, the little drop down arrow, guys. It tells you all kinds of good stuff, but apparently if you click on the title of this video, it takes you to the description box as well. Thank you, Peyton Peeps, for telling me how all this stuff works. But Jesse is from a small town right outside of Austin, Texas, and I love Austin. I was there a few years back and had a wonderful, memorable time. A lot of it, which I can't share with you guys. And Jesse, forgive me if I don't say this right, Pflugerville. Jesse is from Pflugerville, Texas, and he's only been painting for about a year. He dibbled a little bit in pencil and ink drawings when he was younger, but he found acrylic painting and he just flew with it. So I'm very excited that he agreed to do this with me, and I'm excited to introduce any of you out there who have not seen or heard of Jesse Treadaway. Promise me you'll go over to his Facebook page and say hello and tell him I said a big hello as well. Let's talk about our colors. In this cup right here we have Golden Fluid Iridescent Pearl. Now Jesse and I are both using the same colors, and we were allowed to pick our own base coat color, and I don't know quite yet what Jesse has picked. This color right here is Golden Fluid Turquoise. Guys, this is one of the prettiest turquoises out there. It's absolutely yummy, yummy goodness. And Jesse was allowed to use any paint brand that he wanted as well. This is Arteza Pearl Cactus Green. I added that to his list, and he went out and ordered himself some. These pearl paints by Arteza are very nice, guys. This right here is Arteza Pearl Marmalade. Another absolutely beautiful color. I think that Sweet Mina Villegas introduced me to this color in one of her videos. And this has got to be my favorite chocolate. My favorite brown right here. This is the Arteza Pearl Deep Brown right there. So these Arteza paints are wonderful. Now, both our pouring mediums are 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden GAC 800. Because these two paints are fluid paints, right there, a very fluid, liquidy paint, guys. I did not have to add any water to them. The Arteza paints are a little bit heavier body, so these three paints got a squirt or two of water. My base coat today is Artist Loft Flow White mixed with my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Golden Gak 800. And this is a little heavier than my fluid paint, so I added a little bit of water to this. Now, doesn't matter what kind of swipe I do, doesn't matter what kind of swipe Jessie does. We're both using the same paints. We're both using a 20 by 20 canvas, and I'm going to do a minimalistic swipe. I've got my handy dandy tools here. I got my Tracy Reed swiping tool. I got my smaller swiping tools, which are just cut up pieces of flexible plastic. And I also have my damp paper towels. So I'm playing. I'm fiddling, and hopefully Jessie and I come up with two beautiful paintings that we can be proud of. Guys, I'm going to show you some pictures of Jessie's work, and then we're going to get busy painting, guys. Glad you're here. Jessie, I'm glad you're here as well. Let's get busy.
Temperature rise.